In the serene stillness of nature, a remarkable transformation takes place. From the cocoon of obscurity, a metamorphosis unfolds.
A new life emerges, delicate yet determined, fragile yet fierce. A new dawn breaks, heralding a transformation so profound.
It redefines everything.
It's your time for transformation. Get ready for the State Campus Congress 2024.
A gathering where minds are not only enlightened but profoundly transformed and hearts are inspired beyond measure.
From October 11 to 13, 2024, immerse yourself in an extraordinary experience
At the Deeper Life Bible Church, Obosi Regional Headquarters, located at Kilometer 2, Nkpo Obosi Road, Obosi, Anambra 1.
Join us for Hishtanut.
heavenly intellectual saints, highly transformed and nurtured up triumphantly.
This is no ordinary campus event.
It is a powerful convergence
Designed for undergraduate, fresh graduates, core members, and staffs who are ready to soar to new heights.
Hishtanut.
Here to delve into transformative teaching that will not only challenge your intellect, but will also deepen your faith.
These powerful sessions are meticulously crafted to
Inspire and invigorate, equipping you with the tools essential for both academic success and spiritual growth.
At the State Campus Congress 2024,
Be ready to be deeply moved by the soul-stirring testimonies from those who have walked the path of transformation and emerged victorious.
these compelling stories will ignite your passion and serve as a reminder of the boundless potentials that lies within you.
This is your chance to connect, grow, and triumph in your journey. Don't miss out. Be a part of something transformative. So,
Mark your calendars, spread the word far and wide.
tell someone to tell someone.
And prepare to embark on a journey of profound transformation.
At the State Campus Congress 2024.
it is the dawn of a new chapter,
Heavenly intellectual saints,
Highly transformed
And nurtured up
triumphantly.
Hishtanut.